Welcome to Sushmita's science class. Here, science will be made very interesting and easy. Children, today we are going to study about flowers. See, flowers are the most attractive and the colorful part of a plant. It attracts insects for reproduction. This is the flower stem. This is called pedicel. This is the receptacle. This green part is the sepal, and all sepals together is called calyx. This is the colored part. This is known as petal, and all petals together is called corolla. This is the pistil, and these are the stamen. Today we are going to study about parts of flower. See here, this is the flower stem or pedicel. This attaches the flower to the plant. This is the receptacle of the flower. A receptacle is at the top of the stalk underneath the main portion of the flower. It is often enlarged to support the weight of the flower or the fruit when it develops. Its main function is to connect the stalk to the flower and support the flower. This part of the flower keeps the flower in an elevated position. It holds all the floral parts together. This green part is the sepal. All the sepals together is called calyx. It is the outermost green leafy structure in the flower. This protects the flower at the bud stage. Sepals are the most important parts in a flower. Leaf-like colored part next to the sepals are called the petals, and all petals together is called corolla. This is the colorful part and it gives pleasant fragrance. The bright color and the fragrance of the petals attract insects that help in pollination and thus helps in reproduction. These little stalks with swollen tops around the center of the flower are called the stamens. Stamens are the male reproductive organ of a flower. Each stamen consists of a thin filament with a bag-like top called anther. The anther carries several pollen grains. Pollen grains are dust-like particles that take part in reproduction. This whole thing from here till here is called the pistil or the carpel, which is the female reproductive organ. A flask shaped structure in the center of the flower is called the pistil. This is the female reproductive organ. Lower, broader part of the pistil is called ovary. The lower broader part of the pistil is called ovary. The narrower upper portion of the pistil is called the style. The sticky end at the top of the style is called the stigma. The ovary contains the female sex cells called the ovules. So stigma, style, ovary and ovules together form the pistil, which is also known as carpel. The flowers develop into fruits and form seeds by the process of pollination. So what is pollination? Pollination is transfer of pollen grains from anther of a stamen to the stigma of the pistil. That is, from here the pollen grains come and stick to this part, stigma. This is the sticky part. And after pollination, the ovules change into seeds. Here the ovules, these change into seeds, and the ovary of the flower develops into a fruit. पौधों में ये फ्लावर जो होता है ये सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव पार्ट होता है. ये प्लांट्स के लिए रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स को कैरी करता है. जैसे इसमें है ये फिलामेंट और इसके ऊपर एंथर. फिलामेंट, ये जो थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है पतला सा, इसको फिलामेंट कहते हैं. और यहाँ एंथर है जिसमें पोलन ग्रेन्स होते हैं. यहाँ से पोलन ग्रेन्स ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं यहाँ. ये जो है ये फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन ऑफ द प्लांट है. ये ओवरी है जो कि बाद में फ्रूट बन जाता है और इसके अंदर ओव्यूल्स हैं. ये ओव्यूल्स बीज बन जाते हैं और वो होता है पॉलिनेशन के बाद. पॉलिनेशन मीन्स यहाँ से पोलन ग्रेन्स यहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं और इसको पहुँचाने के लिए ही ये फ्लावर्स इतने अट्रैक्टिव होते हैं और बहुत सुगंध देते हैं ताकि इंसेक्ट्स को अट्रैक्ट करें. जैसे बटरफ्लाई, हनी बी, इनको जब अट्रैक्ट करते हैं ये आते हैं, अपना नेक्टर लेते हैं और जब फूल के ऊपर बैठते हैं तो उनके पैर में ये पोलन ग्रेन्स लग जाते हैं और जब वो दूसरे फ्लावर में जाकर बैठते हैं तो उसके स्टिग्मा में पोलन ग्रेन्स चिपक जाते हैं इंसेक्ट्स के पैरों से और इससे ही पॉलिनेशन होता है. पॉलिनेशन के बाद ये जो ओव्यूल्स हैं ये सीड्स बन जाते हैं. ये जो ओवरी पार्ट है ये फ्रूट बन जाता है. तो फ्लावर का क्या काम है? व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ अ फ्लावर? Flowers are the reproductive organs of a plant. The ovary of flower develops into fruit. Its ovules form the seeds. Flowers are the source of perfumes, flavoring fruits and certain medicines. Nectar from flowers is used by honeybees to prepare honey. Again, this honey also has medicinal use. If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.